Hello, I am Meet Tang, student of Marwadi University ICT department. Today I am going to give you a brief description about my project, which is basically a CAM app. Problem statement. Now problem statement is design a system that can solve the CAM app. Now what is CAM app? Basically question is what is CAM app? An implementation of a boolean function requires the use of logic gate. There are two methods for simplification of Boolean function. First is the algebraic method by using identity, and the second is graphical method by using Karnaugh map method. A kmap or a Karnaugh map method for a function of n variable consists 2 raised to n cells, and in every row and column, two adjacent cells should differ in the value of only one of the logic variables. Karnaugh map or kmap are graphical representation of a Boolean function. Two variable map. Here is the example of one two variable kmap. This is the alternate layout of a two variable CAMAP. Now next, what is solution? With the help of Java and its GUI, means graphical user interface, we can solve this problem for the designing of the project. Now this is the description of project. I have made the system that can solve the 2 and 3 variable CAMAP, and as adding feature I have also made the design that can solve the don't care condition in 2 variable CAMAP. I have also included all the condition for the 2 and 3 variable CAMAP and the don't care condition. Now next is more features, which is it can solve the 2 and 3 variable CAMAP. Makers only show the history of input users has been entered, and we can also analyze the data of user using history. User can enter input or it can give the random value using only one button. Now we are going to see the some important pages about my project. Here is the first page where user have to enter all the data, then only he or she able to proceed to the next. This is the example of first page. Next is introductory page. Next is detail of CAMAP. Next page is about detail of CAMAP. I have included two pages here. One is the history and one simple example of CAMAP, and next page is about how to solve the CAMAP. Next is driving menu for the program. User have to choose any one option at a time. User can choose here 2 variable, 3 variable, or 2 variable with don't care, or it can proceed, or he or she can proceed to the next. Next is design of 2 variable. It is the design of 2 variable CAMAP. Next is error. If the is user not enter the input which is valid for the CAMAP. It is the example. You can see that here is the one pop-up menu which can show the error. Next is 3 variable map design. Here is the example of 3 variable CAMAP design. Next is 2 variable CAMAP with don't care. User have to input the don't care as a small x in this condition. Next is the last page. Now next is storing the data in a file. As a adding feature, I have also stored the data of the input of the user in the one file so that we can analyze the data for the next procedures. Here is the page. So now we are switch over to the IntelliJ IDE. Now I am going to start my project description. Now first we have to enter all the data. Now let's see what happens if I only entered the 3 inputs. You can see that here is the one pop-up menu. You have to enter all the details. So I am going to fulfill all the details. So by clicking on the next, you can proceed to the next. Now this is introductory file. Next is the detail of CAMAP. That what is the CAMAP? Basically, Karnaugh map were designed by the Karnaugh in 1953 when he was working on digital logic for telephone switching circuit at the Bell Labs. These maps help make the logic a lot simplifier. By definition, a Karnaugh map simplifies Boolean logic expression. There are mainly 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 variable K-maps. Here is the one system to solve the K-map. By clicking on the enter, you can go to the driving menu. Here you have to choose any one option at a time. Next, you can see that I am choosing a 2 variable K-map. Here I have given 2 options. Either user can give the input or he or she can be choose the random option to give the value. Now I am going to click on the random. You can see that by clicking on the random, it will take the randomly value and give the output of the mix and min terms. I am going to give you one more example. Now I am going to enter the data. If I am enter the data more than one, then it will only take the one input. So this is one more feature that user cannot enter more than one bit. By clicking on the operate, you can see the answers. And by clicking on the clear, you can clear the screen of K-map. Now, we are proceed to next, which is basically a 3 variable K-map. Now see what happen if user enter the something wrong input. So you can see that the pop-up menu has come. You have to enter the data in 0 or 1. So now click on OK and going to give example of random values. Now clicking on random, you can give the randomly inputs. You can see that it will give the randomly input and here are the answers of max and min terms. Now by click on the clear screen, the Karnaugh map was clear. Now I am going to give the randomly inputs. And also here are the features that user only can enter one bit. Now clicking on the operate, we are get the output. You can see that output. Now by clearing, now here is the input and here is the output. Now we are going to proceed to the next, which is basically a 2 variable K-map with don't care condition. Here user have to enter at least one don't care condition. I am giving one don't care condition and some randomly values. You can see that here is the answer. It is basically 1 for this pairing and 0 are paired with this don't care condition and answer gives B bar of min term. Now by clearing screen, giving other random values, you can see that the pop-up menu. Here is the answer of 1, which is basically B bar and B of these values. Now by clicking on the enter, you can proceed to the driving menu. Now by clicking on the exit, you can proceed to the last frame, which is basically from thank you frame, and mail ID of my, which is basically myth.tank105036@marwariuniversity.ac.in. So now I like to give a special thanks to our professor. This project was guided by Professor Chandrasi Parmar, Head of Department, Marwari University, and the Professor Kumar Anand Singh, Assistant Professor, Marwari University ICT Department. And I like to give a special thanks to our CC, Professor Mehul Kandaria, for guiding me for this project. Here is the mail ID of my for in case of any query and to design this type of project, you can mail me anytime. meet.tank105036@marwaduniversity.ac.in. So thank you for watch my video.